And welcome back to my second episode in this Let's Play series. So, I'm getting myself like, yeah, that totally off topic. But I am using the free version of Bandicam, so I can only get 10 minutes worth of footage. So that's the longest video you're gonna get. In the future, if I get enough subscribers, so I can get like advertisements and stuff, I can get like not the expense, like the full version, but so I can do stuff. I have to do something, guys. Real life matters, not in-game matters, so I'll be back. Okay, guys, sorry about these interruptions. I have to cough. Sorry about that interruption again. I thought it was on cue. I will be doing most of this series on camera, but some will be off camera. Sorry about these lag spikes. So let's just build like a starter base. Because for now, no. Sorry, I was thinking about like using this as my base, but I have 2 levels. Yeah. I can't. This game is like unplayable right now. All these lag spikes. Dang it, it's gonna be nighttime. I'll just do that. Unplayable right now. See, I could just do the drag, but all these bad stuff, so I have to do this. So, that's why it's like unplayable. I'm dead. Just sleeping that away. Okay, so there we go. Sorry I left off so abruptly in the last episode. Like, because I had just figured out that I only have 10 minutes of video footage. I'm just gonna build a little star base. So in the next episode, I'm going to be doing Alba gaming. That last episode, which I'm gonna just let it sit for a second, which is here spawn, which is Alba Caving is. I'm gonna tell you. Well, you're gonna tell me questions you want to know about me, because this is like my first, one of the first. Yeah, there is definitely a spawner nearby. I will not be digging for that this episode. About me, whatever you want. I will pick some of them. Not. Eating expedition. What are you doing? Please put comments in there. I know for the first couple episodes, I'm not even sure how I'm gonna do this, but I've seen that people, well, is this like unfair? They'll say, if I don't get so many likes, then keep that just went in for next second video. I don't think I'm gonna be doing that. See, I'm holding down the W key and I'm not moving. So let's put down put down torch. Don't let me. It's left click. No, it's right click. I mean, right click. Okay, so I'm probably gonna leave this video off short. Do some work off camera because I'm almost out of video footage. So I'm at 6 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it here. Leave your questions and comments in the description below. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.